It's not Ninja Turtles. Wait. This is not fair. Sorry, Courtney.
Oh, you're fine.
Kids, run it.
I don't have any.
Yes, you do.
Nuh-uh, all I have is that sword up on the thing. Use my bamboo. Oh wait, don't break it. I don't have any here.
I like that I'm actually showing you.
Line up!
They're standing that. Be careful.
Oh my god, it really is Santa. It feels like a deflated.
Put the lid on, or the cap on it.
Where's the cap?
It's on my desk.
Where does it go?
It goes in the hole.
What hole?
It goes in the hole?
It should have been at the top.
Are you taking a video still?
Yeah.
How do you know where to find it?
Right there.
Did you know she's still taking a video?
Kids, I don't see a cap.
The cap was next to the computer and probably fell on the floor now.
Well, I don't know where the cap is, so I can't put a cap. Oh, I got it.
I can take you down. I know, because you're bigger than me.
You just got touched by the deflated boob. Oh god. It's getting dangerous! I'm scared for my life!
You're getting glitter on the floor. You're running out of shoes.
Oh, kids! Oh my god, I just punched you in the crotch! I'm so sorry!
But that was my bladder.
Hey, Courtney! Pop! Get her, kill her! Hey, quit, you two!
Go ahead,
Alright, you two.
definitely gonna upload these on Facebook. Oh, she's getting serious. She's like pushed her.
You're taller than me.
You're not trying to
What?
Let's start fighting scenes. I will kill you.
Okay.
Come on, I'll just fight it. Let's not do this.
If anybody gets hurt, it's not my fault. Don't break my TV though. I'm gonna have some issues.
That's a weak shot. What do you do?
Whoa! I'm gonna bomb me. No, I'm just kidding. Hey kids!
That's cool.
Wait. Go stop
I'm
howling!
trying to hold my hand. You're so sorry. I love you.
I love you guys too!
Oh my god,
And Ayla is definitely on about
I'm pretty sure I just ate some of your hair. How does it taste?
Hi.
Hi.
Get her!
I got you, Tom!
Do you really want that, Tom? Because I know yourself. Throw it outside. Throw it outside.
Outside. Oh my god! Give me the Tom!
Throw it out there. Throw it out.
Tom. Your face is in there. Stop.
I got it! No, I don't! No, I don't! No, I don't! I don't got it! Ow, my foot! My foot! Ow! You're crushing my foot!
And I have pink on my coat. Smell it. You wanted it so bad. No, it's gross.
It's nap time. It's always nap time for me.
Your roommates just killed me with their woman.
All of them are out there? Oh god. Probably.
Two of them.
Two of them. We might have to go say hi.
Let's go say hi.
If I can get up. And my butt not hanging out right now.
I know your roommates. What's your name? We're taking a video, so say hi.
Oh, sweet. Hi.
My hair definitely needs to be pulled up now.
Are they shitty?
They usually are. No, you're good. It's not. It's okay.
Fantastic. She broke her knee. It's me? That's what I'm saying. It's probably not. Can we kiss it? Make it better?
Yeah, okay.
Kissing it makes everything better. I should probably take the video off of that.
No, I will.
Okay, I think it's about time I end this.